Blending modes change how layers interact with each other. Select a layer and open the blending mode drop down in the layer panel. Modes like multiply, darken images, screen lightness, and overlay enhances contrast. Experiment with different modes to create effects like double exposure, light leak, or texture